everyone, Miss Allison here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Alright guys, so let's take a look at how to format your essay to make sure it's correct. I just have one body paragraph here, but you will have all five, your intro, 3 bodies, and conclusion. So when I'm looking at this, I want to make sure two different things. First, it's asking me that the font is correct as well as double spaced and highlighted. The highlighted you'll have to do on your own. And remember that there is a key here to help you with that, okay? So the first is the font. So I'm going to select all of my text, whatever is here. I'm going to come up to this box and select Times New Roman. If that does not show up, I can go in and type it in, and it should populate for me, but Times New Roman is what I'm looking at. We're always going to use font size 12. These are not my rules. This is MLA formatting. Oh my gosh, my keyboard's being funky today. But we're going to do size 12 here. And this is just how we do formal writing. Again, these are not my rules. It's MLA formatting, which we will go in more to next semester, but for now, let's please just keep it at that. Especially your quotes, please make sure that those are the same font. I know we copied and pasted them from our text, so make sure that's true. The second one it's asking me to do is make sure it's double spaced. So I'm going to look right here for those arrows going up and down that says line spacing, and I'm simply going to select double. This way it's way much easier to read, there's space between, and it just looks really formal and professional when I turn it in. Alright guys, make sure that that's what you're doing for those 2 steps, and happy writing.